Are you ready to transform your health and the planet with just one simple change? A vegan diet is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle that excludes all animal products. Imagine a diet that not only benefits your health but also the environment and animal welfare. One of the staples of any diet is bread, but is all bread vegan? Surprisingly, many common breads contain hidden animal products like milk, eggs, and honey. Understanding bread labels is crucial for identifying non-vegan ingredients. Ingredients like casein, whey, and gelatin can sneak into your bread, making it non-vegan. But don't worry, there are plenty of vegan-friendly bread options available. Brands like Dave's Killer Bread, Ezekiel Bread, and Silver Hills Bakery are trustworthy choices. These brands ensure their products do not contain non-vegan ingredients. Dave's Killer Bread is known for its high-quality, whole-grain ingredients. Ezekiel Bread uses sprouted grains, making it rich in protein and fiber. Silver Hills Bakery focuses on whole grain products and consciously sourced ingredients. Food for Life offers a variety of vegan-friendly baked goods, including bagels and tortillas. When buying bread, always check the ingredients list and look for vegan certification. Avoid non-vegan bread ingredients such as milk, honey, and eggs. Some leavening agents and dough conditioners can also be derived from animals. Look for breads that are explicitly labeled as vegan to simplify your shopping. Understanding the bread making process can help you identify vegan-friendly options. For those who love baking, making vegan bread at home is a great option. Use plant-based milk like almond, soy, or oat milk as a dairy substitute. Flax seeds and chia seeds are excellent egg substitutes in vegan bread recipes. Experiment with different types of flour, such as whole wheat, spelt, and gluten-free options. Whole grain flours increase the fiber content and nutritional value of your bread. Nut and seed flours like almond and flaxseed add healthy fats and protein. Alternative flours like coconut or chickpea introduce new flavors and essential vitamins. By making your own vegan bread, you have complete control over the ingredients. This allows for experimentation with healthy recipes and natural leavening agents. Enjoy delicious, nutritious bread that aligns with your vegan lifestyle. Choosing vegan bread supports sustainable eating and health-focused practices. Join the growing community of individuals committed to a plant-based lifestyle. Embrace the benefits of a vegan diet and make a positive impact on your health and the planet.